Welcome to Health and Yum. My name is Alina and today we are cooking up something special. A delicious chickpea tofu curry that nourishes the brain and loudly calls your name. This dish highlights tofu, chickpeas and spinach simmered in a flavorful broth, and the end result, you'll be back for seconds. Let's get started on this flavorful journey, but make sure to stay till the end. I'll share a few delicious ways to serve and enjoy this curry. I love one-pan meals, and this easy curry is a perfect example. We start by heating 1 tablespoon of avocado oil in a large sauté pan on low to medium heat. We then add 4 garlic cloves and 1 onion. Cook for 5 minutes or so until the onion becomes translucent. Now let's infuse this dish with even more incredible flavors. Add 3 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons of sea salt. Stir well. Add 1 can of diced tomatoes and 2 cans of coconut cream. I prefer to use coconut cream instead of coconut milk for its creaminess and brain-boosting qualities. Coconut cream is packed with medium-chain triglycerides, which are also rocket fuel for the brain. These medium-chain triglycerides quickly convert into ketones, providing a turbocharged energy source that can enhance your mental clarity and focus. Plus, coconut cream is loaded with brain-protecting antioxidants like vitamin E, fighting off the bad guys that could harm the vital brain cells. Now let's add 500 grams of tofu cubes. Did you know that the name tofu comes from the Japanese words to, which means bean, and fu, which means fermented? This term was coined because traditional tofu making involved fermenting soybean milk. However, modern tofu production typically does not involve fermentation. Next up, 1 can of chickpeas. Chickpeas aren't just the star of your favorite hummus dip, they are also champions for your brain. These little legumes are rich in plant-based protein, providing building blocks for the brain's important messengers, neurotransmitters. Their complex carbs give the brain a steady, all-day energy boost, perfect for staying sharp and focused. Chickpeas also have fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for cognitive health. And with their low glycemic index, chickpeas keep the brain humming along, preventing those dreaded sugar crashes. Allow the curry to simmer for 30 minutes while stirring occasionally. Let's add the finishing touches by squeezing in some lemon juice and adding 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now it's time to take this curry to the next level. Chop 2 cups of fresh spinach and add it 5 minutes before removing the curry from the stove. Spinach isn't just Popeye's favorite superfood, it's a brain-boosting powerhouse too. Packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, spinach shields the brain cells from harm. Its folate content is the brain's best friend by helping neurotransmitter function. Plus, vitamin K supports healthy brain cell membranes, and iron ensures the brain gets enough oxygen. Our chickpea tofu curry is ready to be served. Remove it from heat and serve with rice, quinoa, or gluten-free naan bread. And for the final touch, let's garnish the curry with fresh cilantro. Before we wrap things up, here's a helpful tip. Did you know that this curry freezes really well? Store it in freezer-safe containers for up to 3 months. Don't forget to label and date them. Now let's prepare a warm and comforting bowl of vegetarian chili that is easy to make and perfect for any day of the week.